Okay, we've got these polyurethane sway bar bushings that we're gonna replace on this 2000 Honda Accord, and these are direct fit. I've already got the car lifted, so I'm gonna go down there and check what bolt we need. So the bushing is this piece right here that we're gonna replace, and that looks like either 12 or 10. Yeah, right here. And there's a bolt right here and a bolt back here. So let's see, is it a 12? Yes, it's a 12, stuck in there pretty good. Okay, coming back with a more powerful tool. There it is. Right there. Let's see if this side will come off. Probably not. Let's see if that'll do it. And that did it. There it is, stubborn little guy right here. Now I'm gonna go and work on the other side. If we could break this loose. Yep. Nice and easy. Okay, and once it's off, this should just come out. Take the metal bracket out like that. Right here. Seems like it's still pretty good, but since we got the new one, might as well just go ahead and throw it on. That's the old one and that's the new one. I don't know if that's gonna fit. I mean, yeah, it fits. It just looks a little small, that's all. There it is. Old one, new one. Put a little bit of it on the inside. And make sure I grease it all up nice and well. Just put it in like that. Put some grease on here. Okay. Make sure it's all nice and greased up in here. Put that in. Actually, let's go do the other side first, and then we will put the bolt in. Okay, we did the other side. Now we can come back and do this side. Do not over tighten it. That is one of my bad habits. I over tighten things. Okay, and tighten this side. Okay, that should be it. So that is how you change sway bar bushings. Very easy. Just 4 bolts, and that'll be it.